Hi students and friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sir AYAZ. Today I will share some tricks and mnemonics which I have created. This will help in learning chemistry easily. The syllabus code is 5070. So let's get started. In this lesson, I am sharing the tricks and mnemonics for the topics electrochemistry and reactivity series of metals. For learning electrodes with sign, this one is for learning the name of electrodes with sign which is either negative or positive. NIC. N stands for negative. I stands for is. C stands for cathode. So negative is cathode. That means cathode carry negative charge. We represent cathode with short fat line like this. Short fat line. Cations or positive ions will move towards cathode and gain of electrons takes place. Gain of electron take place. This is reduction. Next one is PIA. P stands for positive. I stands for is. A stands for anode. That means anode carry positive charge. We represent anode with long thin line. This is anode. Anions or negative ions will move towards anode and lose electrons. Loss of electrons is oxidation. Let me write loss of electrons take place. For discharged anions or negative ions in electrochemical series, selenite, clock, broke, iodine, hydroxide. Here is the list for the anions that get discharged during electrolysis of their aqueous solutions. Selen is for sulfate. Sulfate. Nite for nitrate. Clock, chlorine. Broke, bromine. Iodine, hydroxide. Let me write their symbols or formula. SO4 minus 2, NO3 minus for nitrate, chlorine, it's chloride ion minus, bromide ion, Br minus, iodide ion, I minus, hydroxide, OH minus. This is the order. The ease of discharge increases down the series. This is series. Ease of discharge increases, which means it becomes easier for these ions to get discharged. A difficulty of discharge decreases down the series. Difficulty of discharge decreases. Sulfate and nitrate ions, these are the ions, never get discharged, either dilute or concentrated solutions of their acids and salts. Here's the reactivity series of metals. Karachi, nice city with magnificent and zigzag road, friendly people having charming heart at all purpose. K, Karachi K stand for potassium. K is a symbol for potassium. N, sodium. Na is the symbol for sodium. City, C. Ca is the symbol for calcium. Magnificent, Mg is the symbol for magnesium. A, aluminium. Al is the symbol. Zigzag, Zn, symbol for zinc. Friendly, Fe, this is the symbol for iron. P, lead, Pb is the symbol. Having, H is the symbol for hydrogen. Charming, Cu is the symbol for copper. Hg, symbol for mercury. At, Ag, symbol for silver. All, Au, symbol for gold. Purpose, Pt, symbol for platinum. Let me write here potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold, platinum. The reactivity decreases down the series. Reactivity decreases down the series, which means the metals at the top are highly reactive and metals at the bottom are least reactive. Thanks for watching. Click like and share my videos. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.